Hi everyone, my name is Luminous Peak. I'm your friendly neighborhood night witch. Long time no see. I'm here with another sound test for you guys. I rebuilt my Envoy 65 recently, and for those of you who haven't seen the back of the Envoy, here we go. Very pretty. So I'm just here with a sound test for today. I have Domikey Jade on this, and I think it is perfect. Unfortunately, my camera's a little magenta, so this looks kind of blue to me. It's actually a milky green sort of color. I put Zaku IIs in here. Before I had brevity switches, which are a little bit more muted in sound, so this is supposed to be much clackier. So without further ado, we are going to dive straight into the sound test. Enjoy. Yeah, that black cherry pie. Ugh.